How to create Ubisoft account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to create Ubisoft account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device. Click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in ubisoft.com. Press enter on your keyboard. It might take time, so patiently wait until the official interface of Ubisoft opens. You need to refuse the cookies. After that, click on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. A window appears or a menu box appears on your screen where you can easily create your account clicking on create an account link at top right corner of the screen. And then after waiting for a while, you will land on the create account page where you have to enter your date of birth and click on the continue button. First you will enter your day and the month and the year. Click the continue button and now here you will need to enter all your credentials like your email address, confirm your email address and the password. Also the username of the Ubisoft. Here are the rules when you simply click on the small arrow. The rules for the password and the rules for username. You need to check mark both the boxes and after that click on the create account button. After that you have to simply verify your account and after that you will successfully create an account. So let's enter all the credentials. Now as you can see that we have successfully created Ubisoft account. So that is how we create account on Ubisoft. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.